If your shark has poor suction, the first thing I would always check is if the filters are clean. They need to be cleaned all the time on a shark. They sit in front of the motor, and if they're left too long, they get full of dust, they restrict the airflow and create a blockage all by themselves. So how often do we need to clean our shark filters? Well, as a rule, any stick vacuum cleaners or any cordless vacuum cleaners, they all need to be cleaned every month. But if you have an upright vacuum cleaner that's corded, you can get away with every 3 months. Well, personally, I probably clean them more regularly than that. And if ever your filters start to kind of degrade a little bit or start to smell a little bit too bad, perhaps every 1 or 2 years, we need to be changing them for brand new filters. Please click on my next video, that will show you how to clean the filters on a Shark upright vacuum cleaner, and the one above it is if you have a cordless model. If you have any other issues with your Shark, don't forget to put them in the comments below along with your model number and I will try and help. I have a video for most things.